Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Party company. And today I'm here with a new question. And the question is a quick query for Google Ads display. I'm facing this problem with Google Ads. I published Google Display ad and it showed that it has been approved. And I see that ad is on excellent level with 95%. The reason it's 5% because of the budget, which I plan to increase later. After seeing the result, I published the ad on 19th Feb and today it's 22nd Feb. The ad is not showing impressions and neither clicks. So only one impression last night and it's down again. So I want to understand what's the reason the ad is not working. Even before that, search engine ad also stopped running last week, and before that it was working great with good conversion rate. Is there a problem happening with our system, or I take this to Google support system? Okay, so first of all, my question is related to on how are you defining that your ad level is 95% and 5% is down because of the budget? Who is saying you that it's down 5% on based on the budget? I do not agree with this opinion. But now, because your ad is not showing, there are few of the reasons which is why your ad is not showing. I will be, try to be explaining all the solutions. Okay, few of the reasons. Number one, if your ad is new, if your account is new, this is happens with your a new account, that the ads doesn't show. But because you have said that you were running search engine ad as well, and which was stopped running last week, so I assume that your account is old, so this case is not applied to it. And because that you are also telling me tendency that the search engine ad was working very well and suddenly it also stopped working. So what exactly happened? I believe that there is one thing which is happening on your account, and that is you are continuously decreasing your quality score. Okay, whenever your quality score is keep on decreasing, your ad will less be shown. And there are few formulas for this: a short remedy and a quick remedy and a long term strategy. A quick remedy is you have to increase your bids. Okay, now you have to increase your bids, not budget. I'm not talking budget, I'm talking about bid. So this is a temporary solution and this can suddenly increase your traffic on your website. Although I can understand that this may temporarily cost you a lot more, but for a permanent solution you have to optimize your quality score, and that is how you can even pay half the price of your competitor and still gets better ad position than him and get more traffic to your website. So my suggestion is, what bidding strategy are you using? If you are using maximize conversion, and in case if you do not have any data on it, change your bidding strategy, move to maximize clicks. If it's a new campaign, move to maximize clicks, because sometimes it's a bidding error, which is why your ad is also not being shown. So my recommendation is to move to maximize clicks for now. Increase your now the question is how you can optimize the quality score is to make a smaller set of campaigns with lesser keywords, more targeted, more influence ads with the specific landing pages. The more landing pages, the more ads, the more organized your campaign is, higher your CTR will be, and higher your quality score will be, through which you can get lower the amount and get the maximum ad spot. So this is the reason why your ad is not being shown. So in case if you still need a professional help, me and my team can help you in doing a professional Google Ads audit. We can also help you in professional Google Ads campaign setup. We can also help you in Facebook and SEO as well. So in case if you need our services, make sure to click on link on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we will make sure to help you in creating an amazing Google Ads campaign. So we look forward to hearing with you, and in case if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification, and you can also share this video as well. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.